All right, here is both cameras charging with their micro USBs that I connected to the back. As you guys can see, the one on the left is the red blinking light. That means it's charging. The one on the right is fully charged, so it's a solid red light. All right, you guys, I have the micro SD card, 64 gigs. I'm gonna put it on the left side of the base station. It does go upside down for some reason, but you go ahead and push it all the way in. Kind of tough one-handed, but just like that, it is in. I got the base station here. I did plug it in. I got the Ethernet cord going all the way up. And then here is my router slash modem, and it has 4 plugs. So I plugged it into the first one. And then I have the power right here. So it is in my garage. It's pretty close to the front door. So it's gonna be like, probably like within 6 feet of the first camera. So I should have no connectivity problems whatsoever. But I do have it plugged in and it's ready to go. Okay, so first step is we have our screw here and we're gonna screw it in almost all the way. You guys don't need a drill bit. If you have a hammer, you just hammer it in a little bit and then just start screwing it in. Okay, so I already gave it a couple of love taps with the hammer. Now I'm just gonna screw it in almost all the way. All right, you guys, you can see the screw is almost all the way in. You can also see the spider webs, but don't mind them. So here it is. What we're gonna do is, this way is up, okay? So all you have to do is put it into that little screw and then push down. Like so. And now you could leave it hanging and then you could just screw in the rest of it and it's gonna stay nice and sturdy right there. Okay guys, I just screwed it all the way and it's nice and tight. It's not going anywhere. They do offer 2 screws, so if you want to put 2 screws on there, you can. I just have one and nice and tight. It's already secure. Unless no hurricanes come by, it's gonna stay up there. All right guys, I got it all the way up there. What I'm trying to do, here's my front door. What I'm trying to do is get a nice little area view of the package area. This is where they drop the packages off mainly. So there's a pillar next to the street. So nobody really sees the packages, but I just want to be able to see them myself. And just in case somebody takes it, we'll have them on camera. So that is the main reason that I want to have these security cameras. And I'm also putting up a second view a little bit further out so you could actually see somebody walking up the driveway. All we did is throw it up there after we got it all set up. So I made sure it was pointed straight down so I could see anybody coming to the front door, and it is on. It's perfect. It's looking good and I love it.